The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 3, verse 192.
Our Lord, indeed whoever you admit to the fire, you have disgraced him, and for the wrongdoers there are no helpers.
This supplication reminds Muslims that true lasting success is in avoiding hell and achieving paradise, meaning it lies in the hereafter, not in this material world. This is obvious, as true success endures, whereas any worldly success achieved never endures, even if it is obtained and maintained in a lawful way. But those who compromise on the teachings of Allah, the Exalted, while obtaining worldly success will find that it eventually becomes a curse and the source of their misery. Even though achieving lawful worldly success is not unlawful, yet a Muslim must understand that it will ultimately fade away with this world, and it will not benefit them in the hereafter. A person who ends up in hell has failed, even if they were the most successful person in the world. And the one who obtains paradise is truly successful, even if they did not achieve worldly success during their lives on earth. The wrongdoers mentioned in this supplication applies to any disobedience to Allah, the Exalted, by failing to fulfill His commands, refrain from His prohibitions, and face destiny with patience. These people may believe they have support from others, but due to their disobedience of Allah, the Exalted, their supporters will eventually become their critics. One only needs to review history to observe this fact. Simply put, the one who pleases people by disobeying Allah, the Exalted, will not be protected by people from the punishment of Allah, the Exalted. The other aspect of doing wrong is mistreating other people. The one who mistreats others will find that justice will be established in the hereafter, even if they escape it during their lives in this world. This justice may well cause the oppressor to be hurled into hell. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. Therefore, one must avoid all forms of wronging, for their own sake.